The health benefits of a vegan diet depend on various factors, including the specific foods consumed, overall dietary balance, and individual nutritional needs. A well-planned vegan diet can provide many health benefits and is associated with a reduced risk of certain conditions. Studies have shown that a balanced vegan diet, which includes a variety of plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, can be nutritionally adequate and provide all the necessary nutrients. Such a diet is typically low in saturated fat and cholesterol and high in fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, which can contribute to improved heart health and reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Moreover, a vegan diet may promote weight loss and weight management, as plant-based foods tend to be lower in calories and higher in fiber compared to animal-based foods. It can also be beneficial in reducing the risk of obesity. However, it's important to note that simply following a vegan diet does not automatically guarantee good health. It is crucial to ensure proper planning to meet nutritional needs, particularly for nutrients such as vitamin B12, iron, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, which are commonly found in animal-derived products. Supplementation or careful selection of fortified foods may be necessary to meet these requirements. It is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant dietary changes to ensure that your nutritional needs are being met and to receive personalized advice based on your individual circumstances. Here are some examples of fortified foods that can help meet nutritional needs on a vegan diet. Fortified plant-based milk. Many plant-based milk alternatives like soy milk, almond milk, and rice milk are fortified with calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. Fortified breakfast cereals. Some breakfast cereals, particularly whole grain varieties, are fortified with essential vitamins and minerals such as iron, vitamin B12, and folic acid. Fortified tofu. Certain brands of tofu are fortified with nutrients like calcium and vitamin B12. Check the label to ensure it is fortified. Fortified plant-based yogurt. Some plant-based yogurts, such as those made from soy or almond milk, are fortified with vitamins and minerals, including calcium and vitamin D. Fortified plant-based meat substitutes. Certain plant-based meat alternatives, like veggie burgers, sausages, and deli slices, can be fortified with nutrients such as vitamin B12, iron, and zinc. Fortified nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is often fortified with vitamin B12, making it a popular choice among vegans as a flavoring agent or cheese substitute. Fortified plant-based protein powders. Protein powders derived from plant sources, such as pea, hemp, or rice protein, can be fortified with various vitamins and minerals to supplement protein intake. Fortified plant-based spreads. Some spreads, like vegan margarine or butter substitutes, can be fortified with vitamin D to help meet your daily needs. Fortified plant-based beverages. Beyond milk alternatives, other plant-based beverages like fruit juices, vegetable juices, and sports drinks are sometimes fortified with vitamins and minerals. Fortified plant-based meat analogs. Plant-based meat analogs, such as vegan sausages and chicken substitutes, may be fortified with essential nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and zinc. Remember to read product labels to ensure that the fortified foods you choose align with your specific nutritional needs. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance on meeting your nutritional requirements on a vegan diet. I hope you find this video useful and you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.